There we had 387118 and its castmate with a heavy delayed 0916. Great Northern Service from London King's Cross to Letchworth Garden City. And about to pass through now will be a Thameslink series going from, I presume, Brighton to Cambridge. There's no trains there. And today you find me at Potter's Bar on the East Coast Main Line, so I've been seen services by L&ER, Great Northern, Thameslink, Hull Trains, Grand Central, Lumo and possibly some freight as well. Originally it was meant to be Hitchin first, but however with these delays going on left, right and centre, thank you, it's all gone wrong today. Here we have 700 138 working a series to Brighton. From Cambridge, I'd imagine. When will these delays end? I do not know. As making our way through gradually will be a Great Northern service going from Moorgate to Welwyn Garden City in the form of 717024. Oh, it's not in service, okay. I don't know with that one then. So with that further ado, let us see what Potter's Bar has to offer. Alrighty then, the next train to pass through about 12 minutes late will be a Thameslink service from Peterborough to Peterborough. Down in distance will be a L&ER Zuma service going to London King's Cross, I presume coming from Edinburgh. But when she gets near, I'll let you know. Alrighty then, gradually making our way through now will be a L&ER Zuma service going from Edinburgh to London King's Cross in the form of 800 103. Merging onto the fast lines, as soon to pass now will be another L&ER Zuma service going from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Next train to arrive in now, about 15 minutes late, will be the 10:30 Great Northern service from Cambridge to London King's Cross in the form of 387119 leading with an ex-UWR unit on the back, which is 387174. Soon to pass through now will be at L&ER 225 set, running a service from London King's Cross to Leeds. 91-105 and 82-208. Cracking the tap of the driver, thank you very much. As heading back off now will be the delayed 10:30 Great Northern says to London King's Cross. Alright then, our next Thamesing surge to pass through now will be a Thamesing surge going from Brighton to Cambridge. Got two surges in the distance, one being a LNL similar surge going from Leeds to London King's Cross, second being a Thamesing surge going from Welland Coast sidings to Hornsey in UD. First being 801-102. And 801-106 and off goes 717-020. Here we have 700-021. Going ECS from Welland Coast sidings to Hornsey in UD. Hopefully the delays will clear up soon. Who knows? It's going to gradually pass through now, about 20 minutes later or so will be a Thamesing surge going from Peterborough to Horsham in the form of 700-150. And that 10-car Azuma that we saw originally passed was actually from Edinburgh. Everything was going fine this morning until we reached Finsbury Park, and now it's going downhill with these delays all happening. Happy days. Soon to arrive in now will be the delayed 10:46 Thamesing surge from London King's Cross to Cambridge, I suspect, in the form of 700-042. As gradually making her way through now will be a LNR Zuma surge going from Leeds to London King's Cross. 10-car set this time. So on the front is 801-112. With 801-106. The one I said that was with 106 was actually 104. As back on the move now will be 700-042, I should say, with the late running 10:46 Thamesing surge to Cambridge. Gradually making her way through now is 700-110, working ACS going from Cambridge to Brighton. With a bit of graffiti on it. I know there may be disruption happening right now, but at least it's the perfect weather, I suppose. But still, no matter what, off goes that Thames Express anyways. Soon to arrive in now, about 4 minutes late, but by the time it leaves will be 5 minutes late. Will be the 1100 Thames Express going from Cambridge to London King's Cross in the form of 700 049. I'm just checking behind me right now, as soon we'll be having a whole change Paragon service going from Beverley, to London King's Cross, but at the moment I don't see any sign of it, but we'll focus on this service for the time being. Then to depart now will be the 1100 Thames Express to London King's Cross. And here comes our whole train Paragon service. (802, 302 and 301 going from Beverley to London King's Cross. Here we have 387, 303 and 387 something going from London King's Cross to King's Lynn. I'll check back in the clip what was on the rear, but I know 387, 303 was definitely on the front though. Soon to arrive in now, about 12 minutes late, will be the 10:59 Great Northern Service from Moorgate to Welwyn Garden City in the form of 717 007. See this as she departs. Soon to depart now will be the 10:59 Great Northern Service to Welwyn Garden City, as also passing 801 221 working a service going from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. As down in distance will be a tempting service going from Peterborough to Horsham. So leading this set through is 700 105. Bouncing our way bound for Horsham. Soon to pass through now will be a Thames Express going from Cambridge to Brighton. Alrighty then, our next service to pass will be a El Niño Zuma set going from London King's Cross to Leeds. Going from London King's Cross to Leeds. I'll double check on that in the next clip. Okay, our next service to pass is a Great Northern 717 in the form of 717020. Working a service to Moorgate. I think that was meant to stop here, but honestly I don't know. With these delays occurring majority of the time, I don't know. Soon to pass through now will be a LNR Azuma service going from London King's Cross to York. And the previous Azuma set we saw was 801-108 leading and 801-103 on the back. Soon to pass through now will be a Great Northern service from Kings Lane to London King's Cross. 387-114 leading and 387-301 trailing. Soon to pass through now will be 801-110 and 107, working the LNR Azuma service going from Bradford to Foster Square to London King's Cross. As incoming now will be the 1129 Great Northern service from Moorgate to Welwyn Garden City. At least you're not badly late, unlike the others. In form of the NHS livery 717-011. See this as she departs. Soon to depart now will be the 1129 Great Northern service to Welwyn Garden City. Standing in the far distance will be a LNR Azuma service going to London King's Cross from Leeds, I want to say, or Edinburgh, it's one of those two. I think this is going to be tight here, but we're going to have two services, one being a Thamesink service off the Halton. 700-145, working a service from Peterborough to Halton. Then we should have, just about here, will be a Thamesink service going from Brighton to Cambridge. Is about to get bold, but there you go. So leading the Cambridge service is incoming now, about 5 minutes late, will be the 11:30 Great Northern service from Cambridge to London King's Cross in the form of 387-112. Thank you. And bringing with it is 387-103. Judging by why she had to blow the horn, I think someone must have been too far over the yellow line. It's just my theory. Oh, hello. Now we're going to find ourselves a LNR Azuma service bound for London King's Cross. 801-227. Here we have a delayed 387-104 leading, and off goes the late running LM30 Great Northern says to London King's Cross. Soon to depart now will be the late running 11:36, I think, Great Northern says from London King's Cross to Letchworth Garden City. Here we have going from Horsham to Peterborough. On the rear of that set is 387-115. Got a bit hectic there, but it was a bit manageable. There you go. Soon to pass through now will be a Grand Central 180 start again. Adelante service going from London King's Cross to Sunderland. 109, and here we have 717-007 returning, going to Moorgate from Welwyn Garden City. Don't know why she suddenly passed, but there you go. Soon to make our way through now will be a Great Northern says going from London King's Cross to Ely. 7174 and 419 returning, making a surge from London King's Cross to Ely. Soon behind us will be a Thameslink service going ECS from London King's Cross to Letchworth coach sidings, running about 25 minutes early. Yeah, form of 700-047. Oh, she's coming to a stop. Okay, I'm puzzled. Is it meant to stop here? Passing through now will be at Elnea Zuma stairs going from London King's Cross to Harrogate. As 700-047 now heads back off. I don't know what happened there, because it's not meant to stop here, but maybe it's due to that Elnea says bypassing, but the mystery will still remain unknown. Soon to pass through now will be at Elnea Azuma stairs going from Leeds to London King's Cross. Soon to pass through now will be a Thameslink stairs going from Brighton to Cambridge. now passing will be a Grand Central service from Bradford Interchange to London. 180, 114. In about an hour late or so. Soon to pass through now will be a Lumos service going from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. 803 002, running about 55 minutes late from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Soon to pass through now will be a Grand Central Super Voyager service going from London King's Cross to Bradford Interchange. 221 143. As she continues onwards, 57 minutes late. I should leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked what you've seen here at Potter's Bar, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any suggestions of stations you want me to do in the comments below, as I'll try to respond back to them as soon as possible. Now, this was a station that I was meant to do later on in the day, but as there's disruption going on at the minute, I've had to switch things around. So, other than the disruption occurring today, it was a great visit to come to, including a LNR 225 set appearing in the duration of this and that Grand Central Voyager. My next station will be Hitchin for definite. Just a few stops up the line. It's been about almost a year or so I last went there. So from me here at Potter's Bar, I shall leave it all there. Take care guys, and goodbye.